Hello friends, how are you all? Good? Okay, today we are going to learn some shapes, okay? It is a right angle triangle, heart shape, nanagon, semicircle, decagon, arrow. Let's learn how to draw. Right angle triangle, heart shape, nanagon, semicircle, decagon, arrow, okay, wow, now let's color them. Sky blue color, red color, wow, isn't it lovely? Yes, it's looking very, very nice. Orange color, amazing, isn't it? Brown color, semicircle, very nice. Now, violet color, decagon, green color, arrow. Wow, I hope you have liked and enjoyed the video. Kindly hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.